10-day masters with 12 animals. Popular astrology is very difficult to learn and hard to make a correct interpretation results. Reading a whole life chart is easier than reading a lucky cycle chart. Reading a lucky cycle chart is easier than reading an age chart. Reading an age chart is easier than reading a month chart. Reading a month chart is easier than reading a day chart. Reading a day chart is easier than reading an hour chart. Therefore, you can see to read a correct current year portion is very difficult. It depends on how deep of the master's knowledge and practicing. From my opinion, no matter you are using 12 animal sign or 10-day masters, the end result will not be 100%. But if you ask me to choose one of the methods from these two, I prefer 12 animals. The reason is quite simple. If you divide X amount of the people by 12, you will get more precise than divided by 10.